One thing for certain and two things for sure. One thing for certain and two things for sure. Once we're on the street, everybody like nobody was cursing to us. Come on. Make England say I like to see female dress modest, and trust me, that lady was looking real modest. When I say modest, I mean the Bible modest, not the Jezebel modest. And I think that is the biggest problem we may have with a lot of females. They want to be concubine and Jezebel. I want me when me no want to be it. Sorry, I want to speak for people. Police! Lock up your... Oh, God. Ratty, the window was down. Boy, my husband and something else. People who come, my husband left the vehicle with the window down.
You left it open?
My husband.
Hey, they're a good spot, man. Nobody touch this.
Boy. I'm a power bank.
Yeah? But nobody can touch this, man. Good thing we made out here.
Yeah.
In a good hands, man.
Now look for me arm. It's in a good hands to train like this, sir. We left our money in the vehicle. And nobody not trouble, so it was in good hands. Oh. So I'm actually I came for my power bank. So let me go take out my power bank. Them say December the 13th them are gonna have a big Christmas carnival. This is what I left. Yeah, could the vehicle pull up my ear. The vehicle pull up my ear. Shot boss, swag one.
Real sharp, man.
Real sharp boss. I'm gonna go
Yeah, the tour today.
I come to cut the next license. So this is gonna be my second license. The my husband gone trim. So I go charge my phone and the all boat. What blood there? Watch out. Alright, you don't know it's a girl team, man. I come, I love Lotus supermarket. I see them have a look at giveaway. You know when we still like you, but you know shy you wear something. It's a one line for the boys and one line for the girls. So as they can see, shift the camera, man, to the crowd. Everybody are getting in order. Come on. I see them have 3 cards. Roll back, apple. Watch out when the puppy I go dog, I'll come to feed gifts to her. Brownie come feed gift. Watch Brownie, guess Brownie I go in at the crowd, Brownie walk down gift. Brownie come feed gift. Yeah, brother. You understand? Get the dog board. Snoop Dogg come for your dog.
Everybody ready?
Alright, make them swap one. Miss Trigger, my gift there.
Wait.
Then the boys go over that side. Okay, they might be. That's the touch your mama.
I get it. Always like yeah, leave the boy. You did it. I did it. So you get no feature of it. There you go. You did it.
I love this. I love this. Miss Chin is giving back to the youngsters, them, the kids, them. Love Lotus, the supermarket, the shop. Know what time it is. Miss Chin, I love them on TikTok. Search me out. He's looking out for the youngsters, them, see? All of the kids, them. Love Lotus, supply them. Give back to the community. This is very good. Very good. I like this mystery. It's the thought that counts. She's looking out for the kids, them. Show them, get them a good gift. Get them a good gift. Mary, come. Come on, Mary, I like this.
So think of the trees.
It's beautiful. Give her a tell her so she will do her things. And them things that we are talking about, catch her, see her there. I don't give and they want to fight her on top of it. And that me a talk about. I the baby gift, she can't do it. Baby. And then she do something else to them and fight. Don't you hear? You want to fight her? You want to fight her, me? You're lucky. You're lucky. You see, at least she still have to come for you. She still have your back. She have to love her mother because you're a good mother. So when you're a good mother, no matter what the kids are going to make sure, yes, she's not ungrateful. So you know so she good from early out and she have her mother back. Yeah. Alright, mommy. She feel better than she ever did. And that's not the problem. Bruno come to feed it. Miss String, Bruno there. Miss String, Bruno there. Have something today.
Man, going for channel 7
Yeah,
tomorrow.
man, go on channel 7. That's a one my own. Yeah, Bruno Dana.
What the man say?
No, Bruno come out since if I'm Bruno not leaving. The crowd is mighty full, but Bruno is here. Belize, and only to see this is happening. Getting them yogurt. So we're getting yogurts and plain and apply everything. So we are drinking outside. Everything more, some more, a little bit of everything. A little bit for this, a little bit for that. Awesome. Love Lotus giving back to the community. Can't get it better than that. Over here, son, and do what them are doing. You have to pay for chips and bits. So, the freeness over there, stuff. Over here, see it here.
So which side you been wearing? The freeness. Every mickle make a muffle.
She's one of my subscribers. Make sure you subscribe. See? I'm influencing the younger kids, and that is the reason why I have to live by example and be a good role model. You can't be out here acting a certain type of way.
Let's get you off of me in the video.
See, I love the fact that young girls like these want to be led in the right direction. She says she watch my channel. So I can't be out here acting like a fool because I have young girls and teenagers that are looking up to me. Mommy, can you focus? Stay in school. That is how we do it out in the streets. We don't out here playing like a fool, acting as if you don't understand that the kids are watching you, the young kids are watching you. So be careful what you put out in the universe and in the atmosphere, because what you do, these young ones are looking up to you. So if you're out here act like a skittle and man, that's what they're seeing. I don't want to be blamed and held responsible for any mislead of young kids. So I'm gonna do me, love myself, push love out here, speak the truth, but also a good influence in society. It's a girl team, mom. I just come over Love Lotus to buy a few items, and then when I realized Love Lotus is giving back to the community, so I just said, okay then, I'll just give the world a sneak peek of every event that's going on in Belize. Like, share and subscribe. I am a Jamaican living in Belize. Touch the notification bell. Boom.